Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie. Welcome to a new video. So, as you guys know, if you've been here, I have been doing daily vlogs the past few projects on basically updating you guys every single day on my project. But now that YouTube Shorts are here, okay, not that they haven't been here, but you could only post 60 seconds and now you can post up to 3 minutes. I will be doing my everyday on Shorts, and I will post a full vlog, as you can see here, of the entire week of me knitting in one video. So I won't be doing daily YouTube videos, but I will be doing daily YouTube Shorts if you want to keep up every single day on the project that I'm working on. If you want to wait until the end of the week to see the full weekly progress that I have, then you can do that as well. If you're watching this video, you probably are doing it. But the project that I am working on and started last night is the Key Sweater by Petite Knit. She just came out with that sweater, and I actually did my collar last night. I did something unprecedented, okay? I bought the exact yarn that was used in a pattern, and I got the exact amount of yarn that she recommended for my size. I have never done that, okay? I always buy more yarn than I need. But I was like, okay, let me experiment, because I overbuy yarn a lot, okay? And I always have a ton left over on purpose. And I was like, this time, let me see, because I know a lot of people say they always have leftover yarn when knitting with Petite Knit patterns. So I was like, okay, let me get the exact amount of yarn that she recommends and see if that's going to be enough for me, okay? I am a tighter-ish knitter, so no, I feel like I knit perfectly on gauge every time. I think I feel like a tighter knitter because my sister Kahila, Handmade with Kay, she is a loose knitter. Oh my gosh, very loose knitter. So I knit on gauge all the time, especially for Petite Knit stuff. And the yarn that I got, so this is my contrast color. This is my main color. I was like, let me go with the classic like charcoal and gray. Okay, so gray, it looks like black and white, but it's actually a charcoal gray and a lighter gray. I got Peruvian Highland Wool by Phil Kalana. I do have this already, but I haven't used it. It's been in my stash for like 2 years. And then I got Phil Kalana Alva. This is the recommended yarn for the pattern. And I got this from knit.co.uk. I love getting yarn from them. And I got the same thing in the contrast color. Oh my god, this is amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. So that's what I'll be working on today. My goal is to finish this in 2 weeks. I have been pushing this back and back and back and back. But now that I've started it, I'm like, yeah, now I can actually set a date. I just yawned. Anyway, I started the collar. It does have a high collar. At first I thought it was longer than it looks, but it's not. It looks pretty good. And this is 1 by 1. Oh my gosh, do you see how dense that is? This is on 4mm, so all the ribbing is on 4mm, and then the body and the sleeves are on 4.5, which amazing, beautiful, cool, because this is like a worsted weight combo. It's a DK and DK and what do you call this? Lace. Oh, thank you. DK and lace. So it makes a worsted, which using a 4mm for this is so nice and dense. When it blocks out, oh, this is going to be so chic. So chic. Anyway, that's what I'll be working on this week. I am deciding to do weekly vlogs, which I think it will be more fun for me, less stressful, and very doable, especially since you guys will be getting shorts every single day. So anyway, that's it for now. I will come back and update you guys once I have a little bit more progress. My goal today is no goal. I'm just going to knit and see where I get, and then once I finish today, then I will know what kind of goal I have for the rest of the week and next week. So see you guys. it's the next day. I've been knitting all day. I haven't really been updating, but here is the first stripe done. Guys, this looks amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so in love. Oh, this is good. I'm about to go back to the main color, and I can't wait. Do you guys see my beanie? This is my hipster hat that I finished. And it's not for me, but I'm still wearing it because it's so nice. And yeah, I'm just super excited. This is going so well. I kind of want to finish the yoke today. It's currently 5:14 p.m. That's a very big goal that I don't know is gonna happen, but I do know that I'm going to just knit for the rest of the night. I have like 5 hours before I get sleepy, so 10 p.m. is usually my body's like, girl, go to sleep. So I kind of want to stay up, maybe till like 1 a.m. knitting, seeing how things go, and yeah, but so far, this has been so great. I knit this entire part in Continental because I want my secondary color to pop. It's supposed to be the dominant color. So I didn't want, even though I'm not switching, because here I had to switch from, I had to use English and Continental to knit that, like the next one I'm about to do. English, Continental, and then I just did Continental for I didn't realize I was so good at Continental because I'm primarily an English knitter, and knitting on this, I'm like, oh, okay, so I knit this entire thing in Continental. It's a little looser, but that's fine because it'll be prominent compared to the main color, and that's what I want, and that's what you got to keep the dominant color dominant, okay? So I'm not going to switch back to English just for it to look a little off. Anyway, that's all I have for now. I'll update in a few hours and let you guys know where I am. I do want to finish another stripe of the secondary color, the contrast color, before I come back. So we'll see how things go. Remember the time? It's 5:16 now. Let's see if in like 3 hours, if I'm at where I want to be. Hello, it is day 3. I don't even know if I need to count days here because it's not like a daily thing I'm doing, you know, separate video, but it's the next day, okay? And this is what I got done. Wait, where's the front? The front always looks more squished, but this is what I got done. Well, this is where I got to, I should say, yesterday, which is actually so crazy, but also I'm remembering that this is worsted weight. So of course it would go much faster than a DK weight, you know, but this is, oh my gosh, I went to bed at 2 a.m. okay, because I really wanted to finish listening to the first part of the audiobook of Iron Flame, of the graphic audiobook, not the regular audiobook, and I'm on part 2 now, and I wanted to get close to finishing the yoke, and I am about 6 rounds away from just doing body increases. So I'd say I'm about 10 rounds away from finishing the yoke, which is so awesome. It's only day 3. I haven't started knitting today yet, but I'm only on day 3 and I'm already about to split for sleeves. Oh, so amazing, so awesome. So I don't know if I said this, but I am knitting Continental here. Now that I'm saying it, I feel like I've already said it. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. I think it's about to rain here, finally. Southern California. And it's been so cool testing out my Continental skills. I am an English knitter, you know. And I just think it's... Anyway, forget that. I'm feeling deja vu, which means it's probably already happened. So anyway, I'm just going to give a close-up of what this looks like. You can see my tension here. It's not as great, but I don't really care. I am just loving this combination of yarn. The alpaca with the Peruvian Highland wool. Like, oh my god. The little furs from the alpaca. This is so crispy and neat. I'm in love. Anyway, my goal today is to split the sleeves and the body stitches and then just work on the body. I have no goal really for the body. I just know I want to finish this sweater in about 2 weeks based on my little plan that I have, or like my scheduling that I have. I scheduled out videos and sweaters for the next 6 months. It's about 11 of them, but I could potentially finish more if I finish projects faster than I plan, because each project I plan for like 2 weeks. So we'll see how things go. I'm very excited with how this is going. This is 2 days of progress and I think it's going well. So I will come back and let you guys know how things are when I split for sleeves. It is currently 1:20 p.m. So see you in a bit. Hello, it's day 6 right now, and I don't think I talked at all in day 5, barely in day 4, but I've just been knitting. Like, I haven't been feeling like speaking at all, but I am about, what am I on right now? About 6 rounds from finishing the entire body. It is a little shorter than where I typically stop at, but my sisters and I were like, well, my twin and I were like, you know, maybe we should start making our sweaters normal length instead of like always going over our butt and like super oversized, you know? So, or like oversized lengthwise. So here I am at the ribbing. I feel like it'll still turn out exactly how I want it to turn out. Like, this sweater is just so amazing. I cannot wait to start the sleeves. One thing I will not change is my sleeve length, okay? But I will always account for blocking. So even if I wanted a longer body, I know that I could stretch it out nicely. And yeah, this is just what it's looking like so far. It's a very chill knit, honestly. It just feels like a stockinette sweater. It doesn't really feel like color work, since the only color work part, it's more like color blocking, because the only color work part is this part with the tees. Other than that, we're just knitting normally in stockinette. So I'm just working on the ribbing. I want to bind off tonight. It's currently 8:04 p.m. so perfect time. I'm playing Catan, but like the online version, which is Colonists, and I'm just chilling, playing that while knitting and listening to music. So that's what I'm going to continue to do, and I will see you guys tomorrow when I start the sleeves. This knit is going by very quickly, but I think because it's worsted weight, but also because I zoomed on like day 2, stayed up to like 2 a.m. That's not happening again tonight or whatever. But at the rate that I'm going, I feel like I can finish this in like 9 days, which was not the plan. The plan was 14 days, okay? But this is my first sweater in like a month, so I'm just super excited and I just went a little crazy. Anyway, I'm just going to continue knitting this and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello. So I finished the body. I finished it like a couple days ago. So, or yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Maybe it feels like a couple days ago, but I didn't knit all day today. So I'm gonna end off the vlog here and then start a new vlog, okay? And yeah, that's it for this vlog. I don't know how long it is, how short it is, but it's a weekly vlog. So this is the end of the first day. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It looks so good. I love the ribbing because I just know it's about to, like look at this stretch. Oh, beautiful. I love this density as well. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week, and I'll probably be done with this sweater in like the next 2 days. So next week is going to be a combination of finishing this sweater, blocking it, and starting designing my Ferrari sweater. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. You guys would have already seen my 2025 plans video. I actually did it today. If I didn't do it that day, today, if I didn't do it today, I would not have done it at all. So very glad I got that out, especially in January, even though it's January 31st, but you know, it's fine. Anyway, that's all that I have for now. I do want to start on my sleeve now, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just not gonna really film it because it is 9 p.m. So it's 8:59. It's about to be 9 p.m. And I just feel like knitting. So I'm gonna knit. Bye bye for now.